GoTo Resolve is a powerful IT solution that promises to streamline business operations and ensure smooth tech support as your company grows. But is it the right tool for your team? Stick around as we dive into GoTo Resolve and evaluate how it stacks up for growing businesses, while offering some other options you might want to consider. By the end of this video, you'll know if this software is really what you need to drive your business forward. First, let's talk about the basics of GoTo Resolve. It's a comprehensive IT management solution designed to help businesses provide remote support, handle IT tickets, and keep systems running smoothly. For smaller or growing companies, this can really reduce the stress of managing IT support internally. The software includes features like remote desktop control, screen sharing, and integrated ticketing all in one platform. Sounds like a solid start, right? But the question is it the best choice for your growing business needs? Next thing we'll look at is the ease of use. One of GoTo Resolve's standout features is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive, so even non-technical staff can manage support tickets and requests without much hassle. But while it's simple, some users have noted that advanced features can feel a bit clunky or difficult to find if you're not familiar with the software. So, while it's accessible for most, there might be a learning curve if you want to get into the more advanced functionalities. The third thing to consider is pricing. GoTo Resolve offers competitive pricing, especially for small to mid-sized businesses. However, for larger companies or those looking to scale quickly, the cost can climb pretty quickly depending on the number of users or devices you need to support. Additionally, GoTo Resolve has fewer advanced features compared to some premium competitors, so if you're looking for highly customizable IT management, you might feel limited by what's available. The fourth thing to mention is integrations. GoTo Resolve integrates with other GoTo tools, which is great if you're already using their other software, like GoToMeeting or GoToWebinar. But if you're using other platforms for communication or project management, these integrations may not be as seamless as you would expect. The limitations here might force you to rethink whether it's the right fit for your business ecosystem. Now let's talk about the support. GoTo Resolve offers 24/7 support, but depending on the plan, some users have experienced longer than expected wait times, especially during peak hours. This could be a deal breaker if immediate IT support is crucial for your business. It's always important to factor in how much downtime you can afford when considering a solution like this. Before we wrap up, there's something you should know. While GoTo Resolve offers a solid package, there are other IT management solutions out there that might be better suited for your business goals. One of the most notable competitors is Insert Competitor Software Name, which offers more robust automation, better scalability, and a smoother integration with a variety of platforms, plus a more responsive support team. They also provide a similar pricing structure, but with additional perks that might suit a growing business. If you're still interested in GoTo Resolve, here's some good news. I've got an exclusive and extended free trial for the software that you can access through the link in the description. But wait, I've also included some amazing alternatives that could be a better fit for your needs, and they come with free trials as well. These solutions not only have more advanced features, but also offer an overall better experience, which is why I recommend checking them out too. So, click the link to grab your free trial and make the best choice for your growing business.